Hi everybody, this is Dr. T. Anthony Santosh, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. I am handling physical chemistry and now I would like to discuss a topic in the paper of kinetic theory of gas and chemical kinetics, which has the subject code of CH102A. So, in the first unit, we are having a topic of units and their dimensions. You know, units are widely used and it is used in many places, not only in the research field, in our day to day life also. We are using units in measuring several things. In the case of length, in the case of measuring mass, and even for time, and to measure temperatures in various scales, we are using unit. So, what is unit? Unit is the standard which is used for the measurement of a physical quantity. It is called like that, and we have examples meter, foot, inch for length, and kilogram, pound for mass. And for measuring time, we are using the units such as second, minute, and hour, and Fahrenheit, Kelvin, and Celsius for measuring temperature. We have several types of systems of unit. One of them is CGS. This system was first introduced in the country of France. It is also known as Gaussian system of units. It is based on centimeter, gram, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time. Next, I would like to tell you about MKS system of units. This system was also introduced in the country of France. It is also known as French system of units. It is based on meter, kilogram, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time. Next, it is FPS system of units, which was introduced in the country of Britain. It is also known as a British system of units. It is based on foot, pound, and second as the fundamental units of length, mass, and time. Next, what we are following the system international, that is international system of units. In the case of different availability of units, people sometimes got confused. So, in the year 1971, General Conference on Weight and Measures held its meeting to decide a common unit for the international usage. This system is called International System of Units and abbreviated as SI from its French name. The SI unit consists of 7 fundamental units and 2 supplementary units. And these are the 7 fundamental units: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, amount of substance. And we have the SI unit for length meter, for mass kilogram, for time second, for temperature Kelvin, for electric current it is ampere, for luminous intensity candela, and amount of substance mole. And it is shown here with its different symbols. And it is must to know there are different symbols for different units. For some symbols are used with small letters, and for some units the symbol is in capital letters. It is commonly decided with some rules of followers. First rule for writing SI units: Full name of unit always starts with a small letter, even if named after a person. We have Newton, Ampere, Coulomb, and since these are all the mentioning or taken from the name of the scientist, we should not write it with capital letter. Second rule, symbol for unit named after a scientist should be in capital letter. N, the symbol, not full name, the symbol. N, capital N for Newton, capital K for Kelvin, capital A for Ampere, capital C for Coulomb. And the symbols for all other units are written in small letters. Meter, small m, second, small s, kilogram, small k, small g, small c, small d for candela. One space is left between the last digit of the numeral and the system of a unit. 10 kilogram means is the 10 numeral, then a space and kg. 5 Newton means 5 the numeral, then a space, then capital N. It should not be continuously written without space as it is shown here. The units do not have plural forms. 6 meter means we have to write it as 6 meter, 6 space meter. Even if you are mentioning say 14 kilogram or something like that, we should not write kilograms, or we should not say like that. We have to write it in this proper form. Then only we can say that as a correct, it is in correct form. Full stop should not be used after the units. So it is shown here, whatever may be, it may be length, or it may be power, or it may be mass, or it may be something else. We should not use the full stop after mentioning the unit. No space is used between the symbols for units. Between the symbols, if there are more than one letter is used in unit, for example, joule second or Newton meter or volt ampere, something which is shown here, we should not use space between them. So there are a lot of other things. We could discuss the things in the next video. Thank you.